Greetings to everyone. Today, we the students of Mlkdav Public School, Dwarka, are here to present a project, the Conceptobuddy. It is an application for the better understanding of concepts. I am Amitansh Kesharwani.
I am Ankur Mukherjee.
I am Rohit of class 11.
We all know that reading books and attending classes don't give full clarity of the concepts and we get diverted towards Google and YouTube. We search for the concepts on these platforms and get results which may or may not be of our interest.
And even if we get the results, it is a very time-taking process because we actually need to devote a lot of time to actually search out the desired content and to filter out them. So here we came out with an idea of developing an app that is Conceptobuddy, which is a virtual assistant which will explain you different types of content in a very simplified language. And it can be used by the students if anyone misses the class or have any sort of doubts in any sort of topics for better clarity. They can use our app. So there are two types. First is the general app which can be used by all the users, and second one is exclusively designed. So Conceptobuddy works on this principle that we design our products only for specific classes. Like the prototype that we have created for now is only for class 11. So that class 11 prototype is for general NCERT level. So it can be used by all the students of class 11 who are studying NCERT books. Second one is exclusively designed, and here our stakeholders are the schools who can actually take the Conceptobuddy device and put the content by themselves. For example, if there is one student who misses the class for that on any specific day, her teacher or his teacher can feed out content in it, and the student can later on see that particular portion with the help of Conceptobuddy and can understand it in a very better way. Now let's see the working of our app. First here we'll insert the name. The users will insert their names.
Hi Ankur, how can I help you?
How are you doing?
I am fine, hope you are too.
I have a doubt in one of my concept.
No problem, I am there to help you.
What is Charles' law?
Charles' law states that the volume of an ideal gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature at constant pressure.
What is torque?
Torque refers to the twisting force that causes motion. It also refers to the turning effect. Furthermore, the point of the rotation of the object is called the axis of rotation. T equals F times R times sin theta.
What is cardiac cycle?
The sequential event in the heart which is cyclically repeated is called the cardiac cycle, and it consists of systole and diastole of both the atria and ventricles. Duration of a cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds.
Okay, so as this is a prototype, so we have inserted few questions in it, and in case it don't know any sort of question, then it will respond in this manner. What is profit and loss?
Sorry, I don't know it is. I am a machine, so still it's my learning phase, and surely next time I will improve. Thank you for using me.
So that's how it works. Now I would like to request Rohit to explain you the coding part of the app.
So it's a very basic prototype. We have used MIT App Inventor to build this app, and we have just used a do statement which will recognize our speech and answer our questions. We have used if statement, then another we have to add another condition. So we have used else if, then at last we have used else statement. By doing this, we have achieved our app. Now I would explain the design or the UI, you can say. We have used a screen. We have in the screen we have used label. We have used this as an horizontal arrangement in which we have used a button, text, and then we have used an image web viewer. The main two parts are text to speech and the text recognition, from which we will recognize the user speech. Then we will convert the answer into speech.
Our roles in this project are Amitansh worked on giving out content for the app. I worked on developing the idea for this app, and I and Rohit both worked on the coding part.
At last, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am, Ms. Monica Menon, and our 18th in charge, Ms. Sandhya Madhuri, for giving us important guidance. Thank you.
Thank you.